So, welcome students. In this lecture, we will continue on chapter 7 triangles. तो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आप ठीक होंगे, अपनी स्टडी चल रही होगी आपकी. एंड इन दिस लेक्चर नंबर 36 वी विल सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम 7.2. 7.2 फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर. Question is students, in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC, the bisector of angle B and C intersect each other at O, join A to O so that OB is equal to OC and AO bisects angle A. So students, before solving question, we should know some properties of triangle. Here there are 3 points. And in these points, property of triangle is discussed. According to first point, angles opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle. तो इस क्वेश्चन में स्टूडेंट्स स्पेसिफाई किया गया है which type of triangle is there? Triangle is isosceles. But we have two other properties, second and third. So these properties are applicable for all type of triangles. Okay students, like angles opposite to same sides of a triangle are equal. Suppose we have a triangle like ABC. We have triangle ABC where AB is equal to AC, means this one is equal to that one. According to property, if equal sides equal in a triangle, then angles opposite to same side means AB is equal to AC, and angle opposite to AB is C, and angle opposite to AC is B. So if two sides are equal, then we can say angle B is equal to angle C. Students, if sides are equal in triangle, then angles opposite must be equal. Similarly, in opposite to, if sides opposite to same angles of a triangle are equal, it is mentioned that sides opposite to same angles, it means if we have a triangle like PQR, suppose हमारे पास PQR triangle है and we have given same angles, suppose we have this is equal to that. So it is given that angle Q is equal to angle R. Two angles are equal. Then according to property, if angles are equal, then sides opposite to same angles will also be equal. Side opposite to Q is PR, and side opposite to angle R is PQ. So PQ is equal to PR. Okay students? So these are key properties, but first property belongs to only isosceles triangle. Property means always remember, if angles are equal in a triangle, then sides opposite to same angles will be equal. And another property, if sides are equal, then angles opposite to same sides are also equal. So only two properties are key properties of triangle, and with the help of these properties we will try to solve these questions. So students, write these properties. Okay students, I think you have written. Come to the point, question number first of 7.1. According to this question, students, in an isosceles triangle ABC, first of all, we draw an triangle ABC which is isosceles. In this triangle, given AB is equal to AC. So, okay, students, it is given that AB is equal to AC. Sorry, students. The bisectors of angle B and C. Bisector of angle B is this, and similarly bisector of angle C is that. these bisectors meet at या intersect at point O. Okay students, so these are bisector of angle B and C. Bisect means the line which divides the angle into equal parts. So BO is a bisector of angle B and CO is bisector of angle C. Now join AO A to O so that OB is equal to OC. A to O. A to O means if this is O, then we have to join AO. Join AO. Now we have to show that OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. So students, we have two triangles, left side and right side. For proof, in triangle AOB and triangle AOC. So students, we have two triangles and we will compare angles equal and sides equal in these two triangles. So students, it is clear that this is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. So AB is equal to AC. The first thing is AB is equal to AC. Both sides are given equal. Okay students, and you know these are angle bisectors, and here if we have AB is equal to AC implies angle B is equal to angle C. So if we divide by 2 both sides, angle B upon 2 is equal to angle C upon 2. So angle B upon 2, that is, suppose this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, because 1 is nothing but angle bisector of B. Yani half of angle B is 1 and half of angle C is 2. So we can write here angle ABO is equal to angle ACO equal. Okay, this ABO is nothing, this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. Now third one is AO, side AO. Side AO is common for both. This is common line. Therefore we can say AO is common in both the triangles. Side AO दोनों triangle में common है. So by ASS property, two sides are equal and two sides are equal and one angle is equal. So we can say by SAS property, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC. By CPCT, because both the triangles are congruent, so by CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, so we can say that OB is equal to OC, proved. So first part is proved, OB is equal to OC. Now students, we have to prove that AO bisect angle A, and you know, if these two triangles are congruent, then these angles will also be equal. And we can write here for second part, by CPCT, angle BAO is equal to angle CAO. Thus we can say AO line bisect angle A. Thus AO bisects angle A. So students, here we have proved both the parts of question. First OB is equal to OC, and second AO bisect angle A with the help of congruency of two triangles criteria. Here we see that two sides of the two triangles and one angle is same. So we can say side angle, side angle. By criteria, we have proved two triangles are congruent. So by simplicity, both the parts have been proved. So this is the proof of part first question. So students, I hope you have understood, and now write down. So now students, we have third questions of 7.2, and you saw just before few seconds that we have how we have solved first question. I hope similarly you will solve second question of 7.2. Now here solution is there of third question 7.2. 7.2 का थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, सेम यू विल सॉल्व फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. तो स्टूडेंट्स, सो see this question carefully how to solve. Question is ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes B and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB. So students, here we have triangle ABC given, means we have triangle ABC isosceles, and here AC is equal to AB. It means by property of triangle, you know, if sides are equal, then angle will be also equal, that is angle B is equal to angle C. And here BE is perpendicular on AC and CF is perpendicular on AB. Okay students, so these angles are 90 degree, both the sides, here and there. Now we have to prove, we have to show that these altitudes are equal. It means BE is equal to CF, VE is equal to CF. So students, we have to prove. What is to prove? To prove BE is equal to CF. Okay students, so now with the help of, you know, we will prove it with the help of congruency of two triangles. Okay students, so here we take triangle ABE and triangle ACF. हमें ऐसा ट्रायंगल लेना है, ऐसे ट्रायंगल लेने हैं जिनमें दोनों एल्टीट्यूड्स आ जाएं. एंड स्टूडेंट नो कि एल्टीट्यूड मीन्स परपेंडिकुलर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो नाउ वी हैव टेकन ABE एंड ACF. ABE and ACF. We have taken two triangles. Now in this triangle, in these triangles ABE, AB is equal to AC. This is given. Okay. Now students, second thing is so here students, we have one side equal, and now angle A is equal to angle A, which is common in both. Angle A means this angle is common in both the triangles ABE and ACF. Okay students, so now next item will be this angle. Here students, this is 90 degree, so second part will also be equal to 90 degree. Here if this is 90 degree, then this part will also be equal to 90 degree. Okay, it means in both the triangles, triangle like AEB, angle AEB is equal to angle AFC, both are 90 degree. So by AAS criteria, students, we have proved a triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Okay, thus by CPCT BE is equal to CF proved. These are the equal altitudes, students. So thus with the help of properties of triangle and with the help of criteria for congruency of two triangles, we have proved that altitudes BE and CF both are equal. So students, now write the solution. So now students, we have question number 5 of 7.2. So question is ABC and ADC, sorry students, there is correction. Question is ABC and DBC. Okay students, ABC and DBC are two triangles which are isosceles and on the same base BC. आप देख सकते हैं one triangle is above on BC and second is down on BC, and we have to show ABD. We have to show that ABD and ACD both are equal. ABD means this angle and ACD, that is that angle. So okay students, to prove these equal angles, we have to draw or join AD. हमें AD को ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा, like that, join AD. Okay, now we have two triangles, students. Now we have two triangle like triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Okay students, now proof in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we have taken two triangles where AD is common line and first is ABD and second is ACD. So okay students, now we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. So very simple, from the diagram we see that AB is equal to AC, BD is equal to CD, and similarly AD is common. So we will write here AB is equal to AC, BD is equal to CD, both are given. Okay students, and last one is AD is equal to AD, this is common side. So by SSS, triple S criteria, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Thus, by CPCT, because we have already proved both the triangles are congruent, so by CPCT, angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. This is proved. So okay students, by simple way, so students, you have to be alert, because in this question there is correction. Correction means construction. We have to join AD, then we will solve. So keep your mind open, different type to solve different type of questions. हर तरह क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए अपने माइंड को ओपन रखें, जिसमें कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन भी करना पड़ सकता है और कुछ को डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. तो इट वाज फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, एंड स्टूडेंट्स आई होप यू विल सॉल्व रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस of same exercise 7.2, and if you are unable to solve, you can ask questions through group or through other channels, and your offline classes are going on, so you can ask questions during classes. Otherwise we will solve some more questions in next lecture, lecture number 37. So okay students, now I would like to conclude here, and I hope you will watch full video lecture, and you will give your response, and you will solve same question from your both the books you have. And for more videos lecture, subscribe and subscribe this channel. So okay students, now thanks, take care of yourself. Okay.